Hey everyone, so a few months back Apple released the AirPods Pro 2, and in this video we'll be unboxing these AirPods. So first off, let's start off by peeling off the back, and once we've done that, let's go ahead and open it. And they only had this in the white color, they don't have a black one yet, but over here you'll see that there's no Apple stickers because they never had it in accessories, but over here you'll see that there's the AirPods. And let's set that aside for now and look at the other accessories. And here they have the extra ear tips for different sizes, and they also have a lightning cable. They haven't switched to USB-C yet, but that'll happen soon. And let's check out the actual AirPods themselves. And once you open it, you'll see this is what it looks like. And if you go to the bottom, you'll see that there's also speakers, and on top of that there's also an antenna. That way if you ever lose it, you could use the Find My app. And this even works with an Apple Watch charger, so if I place it on top, you'll see that it'll start charging. And now let's go ahead and connect it to the iPhone. And to do this, all you need to do is open up the AirPods. Next, hold down on this Bluetooth button on the back of the AirPods and just wait for it to show up on your phone. And once it does, press on connect. Okay, so my phone camera stopped recording because my AirPods tried to connect to it, but if I go into settings, then I press on AirPods, you'll see that it has been connected to my iPhone. And over here you'll see that there's an option for noise cancellation and transparency. The difference is that noise cancellation blocks the sound around you, and transparency allows you to hear the sound. Now that is it for this unboxing, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.